welcome back to the World of Morgo. I'm Morgan and this is my channel where we focus on all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. And y'all, it's been a minute because I just really needed to take a break, take a step back, reset, refresh, and get ready for spring, because spring is in like 2 weeks and it's time for that spring content to get it rolling. Okay, and I'm in my Adore Me green robe, so y'all know what that means. It's time for a quick try on haul. I received some items from H&M, and if you follow me on Instagram, I've already kind of previewed some of the items that are going to be featured in this haul. So yeah, I have a jumpsuit, 3 dresses, and then a pair of sunglasses that I'm going to show you guys today. So without further ado, let's get into it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Welcome, join the gang, and then, you know, like and leave some comments when we get into it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a split screen so you can see me like with the item on as I talk about it. So I have become one of those people that, like, if I like something and it fits me well in one color, I'm gonna get all the colors, because why not? You know what I'm saying? So I got these 2 knit mini halter neck dresses. Knitwear is something that is still going to be a thing in spring, because while it's not, you know, excruciating hot, it's still, you know, it's hot during the day but still gets a little chillier at night. So knitwear is still going to be something that you can wear in style in spring weather, depending upon where you are. You know what I'm saying? I'm in Virginia, so the weather is always flip-flopping, so I'll still be in knitwear. Okay, super cute, super just like quick and easy to throw on, throw with some sandals, cute pair of heels, little bag, sunglasses, and you can be on your way. And then I got it in green as well. These are like also perfect vacation dress. Excuse me, these are perfect vacation dresses to, you know, throw on over your swimwear if you want to go to dinner, go to breakfast, wherever. And that vlog is coming soon because your girl's going on vacation in like 2 weeks, so these will be getting packed, and I got a size small in both. Let's go to the next item. Okay, so next I got this super cute, comfy and cozy knitwear collared dress. Again, knitwear, something that you're going to see a lot from me this spring, and you will also see a lot of knit items still being sold, you know, in stores for your favorite retailers, because knitwear is still a thing in spring. I'm just saying. Now this, I love this because you can dress this up, dress it down. You can pair this with, you know, some New Balance sneakers. I'll probably wear this with like Vans. You could put a cute, you know, belt around the waist to bring the waist in, and this is, you know, cute to just throw on, go run errands, even if you want to go grab lunch with your friends, you know what I'm saying, do a little brunch moment and dress it up with some booties or some cute heels, nice little hat and a bag, and you can be on your way. And I am going to be wearing a lot of color this spring, but you gotta love the neutral still, the grays, the browns, you know what I'm saying. So love. I also got a small in this because it fits kind of like oversized almost, so definitely you can definitely get your true to size, but if you want it to fit tighter, size down. Just saying. Okay, next item, we have this tan jumpsuit, and y'all, I'm obsessed with this. Like, look at the collar, look at the, can you see like the cinching of the waist. I already shot content in this, the gray dress, and the other 2 dresses, which is why I didn't actually try those on. I didn't get a video in this, which is why I'm actually like trying this on for y'all, and I also into the pictures too. But I got a medium in this because I don't wear a lot of like baggier clothes, so I knew that I wanted this to, you know, fit a little bit baggier, and I'm glad I didn't get a small because I feel like the small would have been too small. And I just love the way this medium fits. It's like the cargo feel, which I love. I'm trying to get more into like sporty streetwear because I feel like I'm already streetwear when it comes to like, you know, the sunglasses, the purses, the bags, the poses, you know, the outfits. But my sporty side with like, you know, pairing outfits with like sneakers and stuff, that's something that I'm trying to, you know, up my game on. So I definitely, this is definitely a streetwear look, and I paired it with sneakers, sunglasses, and a bag, and I just, jumpsuits are easy because the outfit is already made for you. All you have to do is accessorize. That's it. That's literally it. And then let me go get the last item real quick. So the last item of this haul, I got these pink sunnies. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. I love these. I didn't really need these, but I thought they were cute, so I was like, why not? And I broke another pair of pink sunnies that I had, so these are kind of like the replacement pair almost, even though I already have another pair of pink sunglasses. These are different, okay? And I just, catch me in these. The color, I'm obsessed. Y'all know I'm a color girl. I love. And yeah, I feel like this was a really quick haul, very straight to the point. Yeah, I don't got nothing else for y'all. That's literally it. These 5 pieces. And yeah, catch me in it, you know, all spring, all summer. I probably won't wear this in the summer because it'll probably be a little too hot for that. But definitely the dresses, for sure. And the sunnies, you'll catch me in summer as well. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you can actually see all these outfits and items come to life. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. And if you haven't, go ahead and catch up on some previous videos. My most recent video is my New York Fashion Week vlog, so if you haven't watched that already, go ahead and watch that. And that concludes today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.